right. Well, about this time last year, I was on the equator in Kenya, and that's where I got this hat. Special shout out to my brother Solomon, who I'm preparing this go bag for. We're at T-9, so in 9 days, we've got a crew that's headed out there. So, just a short explanation of what I believe is going to make the go bag. I've got a modified drill battery inverter, so it will work with one of these drill batteries. I'll also send one of these drill batteries. And basically, I've just created an extra port on it so you can actually access the 20 volts in addition to the 5 volt USB and the 150 watt AC on there. I've got an extra drill kit here with batteries and a bunch of goodies associated with that. I've got another Arduino kit with a bunch of relays and servos, and you'll be doing some projects with those, mainly just to learn how to use those things. Underneath here, I've got a solar panel, a 25 watt solar panel. I understand you can get solar panels there. I just thought it'd be a lot easier to just work with exactly what I'm using to start with. And then I've got this Wi-Fi kit. It's actually, I've been testing it. It's got really good line of sight range. And I've got a little adapter kit for it if you want to run it off 20 volt battery as well. It can run off this battery. And most importantly, I've sent also a bunch of crimps and a crimping tool, which is not easily found or described in many foreign countries. And this has multiple different size crimps that it's capable of doing. Also will work for the spade connectors that we use to connect to the batteries and the MC4 connectors, which are used to connect to common solar panels.